Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So welcome back to my mathematics class 2, chapter 9, My Fun Day. So student, today we'll start a new lesson which is your chapter number 9, My Fun Day. First I will start in your textbook, then we will see the remaining CW exercises. So first in this video, I'm going to explain you see the textbook work, right? So let's see student the textbook work of chapter number 9.
So students, today I'm going to start a new lesson which is your chapter number 9, My Fun Day, right? My Fun Day on the textbook page number 66. First is the students about the poem. So students, in this lesson we are going to learn about the calendars, days of the week and timing about, right? So one day, Monday went to Tuesday to see Wednesday and ask Thursday to tell Friday and also Saturday that Sunday is a fun day. Yes or no students? You are also like Sunday? Yes or no? Because holiday. आपके Sunday को holiday होता है ना? That's why you are also like to Sunday. Sunday is fun day for you. Yes or no? So here question is that is Sunday a fun day for you? यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स, आप सबके लिए भी संडे फंड होता है या नहीं? यस, ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर Monday is happy to be the first day of the week. Remember students, first day of the week is a Monday. Week का सबसे first पहला दिन कौन सा होता है? Monday. And according to that we have to answer the following question. That first day of the week is a Monday. So you have to find out the third day of the week is blank. Third day. So first if it is a Monday, so what was the third day? So Monday, Tuesday and the Wednesday. Which day students? Wednesday. So here you have to write down it Wednesday. 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 Next question is the fifth day of the week is blank. We have to find out now fifth day. So here first ever day is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So students, which one is the fifth day? Friday. So here your answer is Friday. So here you have to write down it Friday. Spelling of Friday Friday. Friday. So everyone write down answer Friday. Next question. Next is the second day of the week is blank. The second day. First day is a Monday. So which one is the second? After Monday? Tuesday. Which day students? Tuesday. So here your answer is Tuesday. 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 Right? And the fourth question, the last day of the week is blank. Last day students, which one? Which one is fun day for you? See, Monday is the first one. So which day is the last day? Sunday, right? So here you have to write down answer Sunday. 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 Everyone write down answer. Now next is which day will come, means कौन सा day आएगा, right? First question number A, after Sunday, after यानी बाद में, after Sunday, Sunday के बाद. So students, which day came after Sunday? Yes, which day? Monday. After Sunday, which day came? Monday. So here we have to write down answer Monday. Spelling of Monday MONDAY, Monday, right? Clear? Then before Sunday यानी Sunday से पहले कौन सा दिन आता है students? Here is your Sunday. Before Sunday which day came? Saturday. So here your answer is Saturday. 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 Everyone write down this answer. Now after Wednesday which day came? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and after Wednesday, which day came? Thursday, right? So here you have to write down answer Thursday. So Thursday, Thursday. Okay. Then before Wednesday, Wednesday से पहले, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So before Wednesday, which day came, students? Tuesday. So here you have to write down answer Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Clear, everyone? Understood? Okay, now see, students, this question you have to listen it or read it carefully. 2 days after Sunday. After Sunday we have to count how many days? 2 days. So after Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. So after Sunday, 2 days after, which day came? Tuesday. Which day? Tuesday. So here Tuesday, Tuesday. And 4 days after Wednesday. How many days, students? 4 days. So after Wednesday we have to count for 4 days. So after Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So which day came after Wednesday 4 days? So Sunday. So here you have to write down answer Sunday. Sunday, Sunday. Right? Then 7 days after Monday. After Monday, how many days we have to count? We have to count 7 days. So after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So after Monday, 7 days, which day came? Again came Monday. Monday, Monday. Clear, everyone? So write down this answer in your textbook. Which day you like the most and why? आपको कौन सा दिन बहुत पसंद है और क्यों? So mostly everyone likes Sunday because Sunday is a holiday for you, right? And you can on Sunday you can play with your friends, you can enjoy, right? You can go for outing also, है ना? आप लोग कहीं घूमने जाते हो and आप सब बहुत सारी गेम्स खेलते हो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. नहीं आपको संडे हॉलीडे होता है. All the time you are free, you can do your and you are just enjoying, right? That's why mostly students like Sunday because Sunday is a holiday for us. Okay, now next question. What is the day today? Today यानी आज कौन सा दिन है students? So which day today? Anyone? Today is the Wednesday. Which one? Wednesday. So here you have to write down it Wednesday. Okay, and which day was it yesterday? Yesterday यानी कल जो गुजर चुका है ना. So which day was it yesterday यानी कल कौन सा दिन था? Means we have to see the before Wednesday. So before Wednesday which day? Tuesday. So Tuesday, Tuesday. And which day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow यानी कल यानी Wednesday की today if it is Wednesday, so which will be tomorrow यानी which after Wednesday you have to see. After Wednesday which day came students? Thursday. So here you have to write down answer Thursday. Clear? And which day will it be the day after tomorrow यानी tomorrow which day? Thursday. After that also यानी Thursday के बाद. The day after tomorrow means कल के बाद वाला दिन means परसों. कौन सा दिन होगा? Friday. So here you have to write down answer Friday. Friday, Friday. Right? And which day was it the day before yesterday यानी कल जो गुजर चुका है. कल कौन सा डे था? Tuesday. The day before yesterday कल से पहले कौन सा था? Means before Tuesday. So before Tuesday which day students? Monday, right? So here your answer is Monday. Monday, Monday. Clear, everyone? So write down this answer in your maths textbook, page number 67. Teacher. Some children of class 2nd A love to play teacher role. Teacher. What they are doing, students? They love to play teacher. उनको teacher वाली गेम खेलना बहुत पसंद था. Means they have decided to take turn in playing the role of a teacher. Teacher का role वो day wise in a 1 week different students are going to play the role of a teacher. And in the table here it is given that who is going to play the role of on the different days. Like on Monday, Vaibhav is playing the role of teacher. On Tuesday, Alpina. Wednesday, Gaurav. Thursday, Gurpreet. Friday, Deepak, and on Saturday, Rehnuma. These are the name of the students who is going to play the role of teacher. Now, according to this table, students, we have to answer the following question, which is given on your next page. So, let's see, students. So, first question, dash will be the teacher the day after Friday. After Friday, which day came, students? After Friday, Saturday. Means who is going to play the role of teacher on the Saturday? So, let's see in the table. On the Saturday, Rehnuma is going to play the role of teacher. So, your answer is Rehnuma. Now, next question, dash will play the teacher's role on the day before Tuesday. Before Tuesday यानी Tuesday से पहले. So students, before Tuesday means which day came? Before Tuesday, Monday. So on Monday, who is going to play the role of teacher? So let's see in the table. On the Monday, who is going to? Vaibhav. So we have to write down answer Vaibhav in the blank. Now next question, Gaurav will play the teacher's role on the day after blank. Means Gaurav is playing role on which day? Because students, we have to find out the day after, means कौन से दिन के बाद. So first of all we will see that Gaurav is playing role of teacher on which day. So first of all let's see that answer. So students, Gaurav play the role on Wednesday, and we have to find out that Gaurav will play the teacher's role after which day, यानी कौन से दिन के बाद, यानी which day after? After Tuesday. So your answer is Tuesday, right? We have to write down answer Tuesday. And the last question, question number D, Deepak will play the teacher's role on the day before blank, यानी दीपक कौन से दिन से पहले वाले दिन को टीचर का रोल प्ले कर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू फाइंड आउट दीपक प्ले रोल ऑन विच डे. Deepak will play the role of teacher on the Friday, and we have to find out that Friday came up before which day, यानी कौन से दिन से पहले Friday आता है. So before means Saturday, right? So your answer is Saturday. Students, here you have to write down answer Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Everyone clearly understood? Everyone written all the answers? Now next is students, here games every day. Here the timetable of second A class given. Can you see? You are also having your own timetable which you are getting on your group. आपको भी group पे पूरे दिन का timetable आता है ना? That first period of English, then Maths, EVS, yes or no? So likewise here class for second A, here day wise timetable given. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and here the number of period also given, that which one the first period, second, right? Now students, from this table we have to answer or we have to fill the table which is given on our next page, page number 69. उसके ऊपर आपको टेबल दिया है जिसमें आपको आंसर फिल करना है, ठीक है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इट इज गिवन ओवर हियर on the page number 69 given the name of period and on which days, यानी वो कौन से दिन को आता है. जैसे कि आपको फाइंड आउट करना है इन द टेबल that drawing came on which day, music came on which day, games came on which day, and library period came on which day. That we have to find out from the table, right? So first let's see students, we have to find out a drawing. So here you can see students, if you will see the timetable, here drawing is there, here and the here, right? So there are 3 drawing periods. Anywhere else drawing is there? No. So in the whole week there were 3 periods of a drawing. So drawing came on a Tuesday, Thursday and a Saturday, right? So on which days drawing period came? So Tuesday, Thursday and the Saturday, right? So that we have to mention over here, right? Tuesday, Thursday and a Saturday. Next we have to find out the music period. Music came in which day? Here you can see, students, where is written music? Here music, then here. Anywhere else music period is there? No. So music also came 3 times in a whole week. So music came on a Monday, Thursday and a Friday. These 3 days music period came. So that we have to write down it: Monday, Thursday and the Friday. Okay. Then student, next it is given, we have to find out that on which day games period came. So we have to find out the games period. See here games, then here games is there and here, right? So games period on Monday, Wednesday and the Friday. So games period came on which day? Monday, Wednesday and the Friday. Okay. Then next we have to find out the library period. That library came on which day? So students, where is the library written? Here. You can see library is written over here and here. So library on Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday came. Yes or no everyone? So students, this all the answer we have to mention on the table given on the next page, which is on page number 69, right? So that I am showing you what you have to write down the answer. So let's see students, that drawing period came on Tuesday, Thursday and the Saturday. By putting comma you have to write down these 3 days, because drawing period came on 3 days. Then music came on Monday, Thursday, Friday. These 3 days music period came. Okay. Then games period came on Monday, Wednesday and the Friday. Right. So these 3 days you have to write down it as games period came on these 3 days. Okay. In the given timetable of 2nd A class. Then a library period. So library period we got students on Tuesday, Wednesday and the Saturday, right? So this in front of library you have to write down Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. So students, this all the answer you have to write down in your textbook. And this one we are just now omitting it. We don't have to fill this question given in the page number 69. Okay, understood students? So everyone have to write down this answer. Now students, on the next page, it is your page number 70. Here it is. Now till now we have learned about the days of the week. हमने week में कितने days होते हैं, and everything we learn about the days of the week. Now we will move towards the next, which is we are discussing about the months. Right? Everyone know that there were 12 months in a year. पूरे साल में कितने months होते हैं? 12. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and the December. Right students? So students, here they are discussing about their favorite month. That which month is your favorite? So for there are 3 friends, Sona, Arjun and Zeba. So Sona said my favorite month are May and June. Why? Because I can eat mangoes then, right? उसका May and June favorite है because उसको mangoes खाने को मिलते हैं ना. May and June is a summer, right? Summer seasons going on, and in summer we get mangoes, right? We also like to eat mangoes, yes or no? Okay. Then Arjun said I like December because Christmas comes in a December. Right? Arjun को कौन सा मंथ पसंद है? December, because Christmas came in a December. वो Christmas आता है ना December month में. That's why. Then next Zeba like July and the August. Why? Because it rains in this month because July and August month rainy seasons would be there, right? So rains are there, that's why Zeba likes July and the August month. Yes or no students? Now which month do you like best? अब आपका month कौन सा favorite है? So students, here you can write down your आपकी birthday जो month में आती है ना उसका name लिख सकते हो. For example, if I am writing October over here, that October, why I like October? Because my birthday comes in October, right? So you can also write down by your own month, right? आपका जो birthday आता है ना तो वो मंथ आप लिख सकते हो. एंड हियर रीजन आपको देना है दैट व्हाई. सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इट दैट इन दिस मंथ माय बर्थडे केम, दैट्स व्हाई. या फिर अगर आपको स्टूडेंट्स कोई और मंथ्स पसंद है और रीजन से पसंद है तो आप वो भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, आपको जो भी मंथ फेवरेट है आप उसका नेम लिख सकते हो. हियर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द रीजन व्हाई यू लाइक दैट मंथ. एंड दिस वन यू डोंट हैव टू ड्रॉ इट, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू जस्ट कैंसलिंग इट. You have to draw what you like in your favorite month. आपको favorite month में क्या पसंद है वो draw करना है. So that's you don't have to do it. Clear? Okay students, on next page, page number 71. Here you have to fill in the table. What I like best and months in which it comes. Here we have to write down your favorite fruit, vegetable and the flower, and that fruit and vegetable flower came in which month, that you have to mention it. So before first we will start fruit. हम fruit से start करेंगे, right? So students, everyone know fruit, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वन विल लाइक मैंगो, है ना. आप सभी को ऑलमोस्ट सभी को मैंगो फ्रूट बहुत पसंद है ना. सो हियर वी विल राइट डाउन इट मैंगो, एज एवरी वन लाइक मोस्टली फ्रूट मैंगो. एंड मैंगो केम इन मे, जून, जुलाई मंथ, राइट. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग हियर जून and the July. In summer season we got mangoes, right? Then we have to write down the vegetables, about the vegetables. So students, you are children, kids, right? So kids almost like lady finger. Lady finger आप सबका सभी boys का favorite होता है ना. So that's why I'm writing here lady finger, right? And lady finger came in May and the June month. Okay, then a flower, about your which flower you like the best. So almost everyone like rose flower. Which flower? Rose. So here I am writing answer rose. And rose flower came in February and March. So February and the March, March, March. So everyone have to write down this answer in your maths textbook, page number 71. Okay. Now students, next is write the name of 5 festivals that you and your friends celebrate. Also write months in which these festivals come, right? आपको कोई भी name of the festivals लिखने हैं और वो कौन सी months में आते हैं, right? तो हम लोग सबसे पहले लिखते हैं जो हमें सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है, which is दिवाली, right? उसमें why we like Diwali? Because we get so many holidays. Diwali vacation we are getting, right? So here in the name of festival we are writing Diwali, right? And Diwali festival came in the month of November, right? October and November generally. Okay, so November. Then we will write down the festival which is your Raksha Bandhan, right? Which festival? Raksha Bandhan. And Raksha Bandhan came in the month of August, 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 right? Then we will write down the festival which is Holi, which you can see in the picture. Which festival is this? Holi. So Holi, Holi. And Holi students came in the month of March. So March, March. Okay. Then we'll write down students which is almost every boys like it, which is your Makar Sankranti, or you can say it Uttarayan, right? When you are kite flying festival जिसको बोलते हैं ना. So here I am writing Makar Sankranti, or you can write down it Uttarayan also, right? And this festival came in a January. When it is came? January. 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 And the last, which is your in this month festival came, which is your Dashehra. बोलते हैं ना आप लोग Dashehra. And Dashehra festival came in October, this month, right? Which is going on October, October, right everyone? So here you have to, students, it's not compulsory the name which I mention over here and that you have to write down it. You can write down your own festival and you can search in the calendar that this festival came in which month, like our Eid Fitra, Eid Adha, right? So you can write down here also Eid Fitra and Eid Adha, and you can find out in the calendar that Eid Fitra came in on which month or Eid Adha came in which month, right? So it's not compulsory that you have to write down only name of this festival only. You can write down your own festival which you like it, and you have to find out that their festival came in which month. Everyone clearly understood? On the next page, students, 72, this one you have to draw a scene of any of the festival. किसी भी festival का scene. So this is if you want to do it, otherwise you can skip it. Okay. Now here name of some months are missing in the list given below. Fill in names of those months. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कुछ months दिए हैं and somewhere blanks were there. That blanks we have to find out it. See. January, February. After February, which month come? March, right? So here we have to write down it March. M-A-R-C-H, March. Then April. After April, which month came? May. Which month? May. So here in the blank, we have to write down it M-A-Y, May. Then June. After June, which month came? July. So here you have to write down it July. July, July. Then August, September, October, and after October which month came? November. So here you have to write down it November. 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 And last December. Understood? So here we have to complete, we have to write down the missing months, right? In between there is blank given, on that blank we have to write down that missing month name. Everyone write down these names. So now students, we will move towards the next, which is your page number 72. Now look at the calendar to find out which is the first month of the year. We all know that year having in 1 year, that is there are 12 months. Yes or no? कितने months होते हैं? 12. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the December. We have to see which one is the first month of the year. So which one is the first month of the year, students? January, right? So here you have to write down answer January. So everyone write down January, January, right? And which month comes after March? After March यानी March के बाद. So after March which month came, students? April. Which month? April. So here we have to write down it April. April, April, right? Then which month comes before August? Before August यानी August से पहले. So here in the sequence given August, before August, which month came, students? July, right? So spelling of July, July, July. And Which is the last month of the year? If the first month January, then which one is the last year, students? Which one? Here, December, right? So here we have to write down answer. December. December. Right? This is the spelling of December. December. Right, everyone? So here we go.
So students, page number 72 I have complete till here. Now remaining page number I will explain you inshallah in my next video. Take care of yourself and love is everyone.